Then it gets a little bit more complex when we get to year three, because now we don't just stick S onto the end of words to make them plural. Now we have nouns that actually have different endings, or the word changes completely. So, for example, we wouldn't say foot and foots for more than one foot. We would say feet. We don't say man and mans. We say men. We don't say mouse and mouses. We say mice. Okay, so children now need to understand that the spelling of words and words themselves start to change. The nouns start to change into different forms when we're talking about more than one. All right. So some other examples would be child changes to children, tooth changes to teeth, woman changes to women, cherry changes to cherries. Now we also need to look at spelling rules in year three. So the spelling rule for a word that ends in Y, for example, cherry, we drop the Y, change it to an I, and then add ES, not just an S. Okay, wolf changes to wolves, which drop the F, or we change the F to a V and then add ES. And there are all sorts of other spelling rules that children need to learn when they start getting into year three. Hi everyone, my name is Sabina and I have been a teacher for 30 years now. And I also tutor children for their SATS, the 11 plus, and their foundation GCSEs in English and maths. If you'd actually like to join my parent teacher Facebook group, support group, then I can answer them for you in there. The details are in the description below. I also have a free parent teacher magazine, which can be delivered straight into your inbox to support you again. And again, the details are in the description.